Forgot to switch off the lights in your room or left the TV on? Got on the bed and too lazy to get up and close it? Presenting Smart Socket by Nishika Impex, a revolutionary product for your everyday electrical needs. Download the Alexa app from Google Play Store. Open the app. Select menu icon, skills and games. Search Nishika. Click on Enable to use. Enter username and password. After login, click Authorize. Click on Discover Device. Choose and set up device. Choose group and add to group. All done. Your device connection is completed with Alexa. Now voice control with Alexa to switch on and off the light.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Not a morning person but still have to make efforts to get up early? Make the socket work for you. Set timer for phone alarm and forget about snoozing every time. Similarly for your television, air conditioner, smart light, charging the devices like phone, laptops and tablets and many more. Cease overheating of your electric devices and increase the lifespan of their productivity. Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, LED for connection indication, voice control through Alexa, small and lightweight, compatible with most devices. Go, live hassle-free.